Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Sign into Appdb and verify your device model is supported. Once signed in, enable developer mode and USB debugging, or enable Wi-Fi pairing if you prefer wireless. Connect the device to the same network as the Appdb client or plug in the USB cable. Next, open the Appdb desktop client and choose the option to add a device. This begins the secure pairing handshake that allows file transfer and remote installs. Once the client detects your device, you'll see a pairing prompt. Accept it on the device and confirm the verification code to establish trust. Then install any required certificates or provisioning profiles that Appdb needs for signed installs. This authorizes trusted application deployment. After that, drag the app package into the Appdb client, select the target device, and begin the sign transfer. Make sure to watch permission, prompts on the device, and grant storage or install rights when requested. Finish by confirming the install status in Appdb and opening the app on the device to verify functionality. Test key features to ensure proper signing and permissions. If installation stalls or the app shows untrusted developer warnings, go to the Appdb client settings to revoke and reinitiate pairing, reinstall certificates, and retry the transfer. If things still fail, restart the device and the client, reconnect via USB or Wi-Fi, and repeat the pairing step. This simple reset resolves most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.